Hey there, looking for new ideas for your next Instagram story? I'm back with 3 more eye-catching yet simple ideas. If you've missed my first video, you can find a link in the description below. What's up everyone, it's Alexa and I'm here to share with you every week the latest strategies and tips about social media and how to grow your brand and business online. Make sure to keep in touch and catch the latest videos. You can also check out my Instagram, where I'm sharing daily insights and advice on everything digital. So let's get straight to the point. Idea number 1. Letters with different background colors. This looks super nice and you can do it in no time. It's definitely going to catch the attention of your followers. Start by choosing the image you want to work with. Tap on the text tool and add your title. Here I'm adding one letter at a time. Choose the text style and add a background to the letter. As you can see, based on the font you choose, the shape of the background will look different, so choose the one you like most. Next, choose the right colors. The nice thing here is that you can go with different colors for each letter. To bring the design together, try to match the color for the letters with shades from the picture. You can also add some shapes to make the text pop up even more. In this case, I used a random see-through shape with a transparent background that I had in my gallery. And here's how the final design looks like. This is another example I made using the same technique, but with different font style and shapes for the background of the letters. Let's move to idea number 2. This one is about how you can play around with your titles, and it's a super creative trick, how to color your text in a gradient style. You can use it to go from a color to a second one slowly, or go crazier and choose to create a rainbow effect. For this example, I'm going to move slowly from green to dark red because I want my title to fit with the overall color scheme of the image. Start by typing in your text. Select the text and with one finger tap and hold on the first selector pin. Open the color grid by tapping with another finger on any of the colors in the bottom bar. Think of the color you want to start with and place the color picker there. Now start moving the selector pin and in the same time slide through the colors. You can see how each letter in the text gets a slightly different shade than the previous one, and the final result is a gradient going from green through yellow and orange and finishing up with dark red. Once you are happy with the colors, play around a little bit with different text styles and animations to see what you like most. I wanted to add a little bit more motion to the story, so I went searching for some animated stickers to make our pasta look steamy. And here's how the Instagram story looks like in the end. And this brings us to the last idea of this video, but I kept the best for the end. 2 creative ways to make a beautiful collage. This is something you can use when you want to show off different moments, tell a story, or explain an action in several steps. First up is a video collage. This is guaranteed to stop your followers from scrolling and get them to enjoy your Instagram story till the end. All you need are a few videos that you shot with your phone, or like I did here, you can also use some stock clips. Import your first video, pick the color you want for your background. You can select a color even from one of the videos you will be using. Tap and hold to fill the screen. Next, you want to look for an element that will be separating your clips. In this case, I picked an animated simple white line from the stickers collection. Import your next videos. I'm now adding a few more animated white lines. The next and final step is just aligning all elements and make sure the video stays in the back of the moving lines. I'm not gonna lie, this part is tricky and you'll feel like you're playing a game, but try it and try again, till you get it right. I definitely feel like it's worth it. This right here is going to be for sure a success Instagram story. There is also another way to create Instagram collages with the Instagram built-in option called layouts, but this works only with images. I will show you how it works next. So you go and select the layout option from the menu, choose the type of grid you want. There are 6 options in total. Then you select your images, pick a nice filter to make the collage pop, and add any elements you want, a title or stickers. In this case, I had a lemon slice drawing with a transparent background and I went with it as it was connecting very well with the topic. And there it is, super simple but very good looking. This was it for today. If you decide to try out any of the ideas, please drop me a comment. I would love to see your gorgeous Instagram stories. If you want more inspiration, check out these videos and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to make sure you always catch the latest videos.